location. We're actually gonna do the volleyball court, see what we can do, see what we can find. But yeah, we'll see what happens. I will turn it on when I start getting signals. All right, got a target. It's 13. I think it's gonna be junk. All right, it's out. All right, I think we got the scoop. Yeah, it's just a bottle cap. Right, we got a target to 30. All right, then we got it. Yeah, we got it. $19.89, $88. All right, got first coin of the day. I'll take it. Yeah, I think I found the first piece of jewelry. We got an earring. Yeah, sterling steel. All right, we'll bag it. All right, we got a target. Ring at 30, 32, 34. I think it's a coin spill. All right, we got 1/4. $19.73. All right, then we got the other one. All right, let's see what else we got. I guess that was it. All right, got another signal right here. I think we have like a little coin spill. All right, I'll take these quarters all day. 25. All right, it's gonna probably be it. Yeah, I see it. There's more down there, so. All right, we got a dime. We got a penny, a memorial penny. Oh, dropped it. And then we still got more. Another penny. signal. Yep. It's a penny. Shield penny. Alright, let's see what else we got. Alright, that was it. And we got a nickel. Alright, got another signal. Alright, I got it. Well, we're gonna dime. I'll take it. Is there anything else in here? Nothing? Let me see. Nope. Alright, that was it. Alright, we got a target. 25, 26, 27. I don't know if we got it in the scoop, but we still got it. Yeah, it's still down there. Alright. Alright. Oh, it was a penny. Alright. I'll bag it. See what else is here. Guess that was it. And we got a nickel. While we're walking our way out, just working around this picnic area. And then we're gonna go home. Figure I'd share that with you guys. Alright. Alright, we got a quarter signal. I think we got it. Yep. Let's see the date. 1972. All right, I'll take it. Hey everybody, here to do the wrap up after yesterday's hunt. We did manage to find some change. I was on those volleyball courts, and yeah, we found some targets. A little slow, but you know, it's better than nothing. So yeah, as you see, yeah, we got $2 in quarters, 4 dimes, 2 nickels, some pennies. I did find some jewelry. I found this stainless steel earring. It's pretty cool looking, I guess. And then the last thing we found was this needle. It's like a ointment thing. Found that in the volleyball sand, about 12 inches. It's actually an old relic container. You know, it's I mean, not relic, but it's vintage. It's still got the stuff in it. It's a little chewed off right there, but it's all there. Probably worth like $4 or $5 if anybody collects those type of things. You know, I was actually looking on eBay, and they do. People selling vintage needle ointment containers like that, and that was pretty cool, I guess. But yeah, hope everybody enjoyed the video. Who hasn't subscribed, please subscribe, like, comment, and tap on that bell. That way we can stay connected together. And I think I have about 489 subscribers, so please, whoever's watching these videos, please subscribe. It'll help me out. You know, we're trying to push for 500, and you know, as we're shooting for our ultimate goal is to get to 1,000, and then from there keep going, keep getting high as possible with those subscribers, trying to hit it big, you know. So we'll see what happens. Anyway, I'm gonna cut it short. I will see you guys in the next hunt. Hope everybody has a good day. All right.